Tema
The theme of
upacara
today's
hari ini
ceremony
yaitu
is a
sebatang
pencil
dan
and
kehidupan.
life.
Kalian bisa
You
lihat
can see
saya membawa
I'm
sebuah
holding
pensil.
a pencil,
Dan saya
and
tahu
I know that
kita
all of
semua
us
pernah
have owned,
atau mungkin saat ini juga
or maybe still own,
dan
a
masih
pencil
menggunakan
and still
pensil.
use a pencil.
Ketika kita
When we buy a
membeli
pencil,
sebatang pensil, jika ujungnya semua dalam keadaan
if
tumpul,
both ends are blunt,
tentunya kita tidak
of
akan
course
bisa
we won't be able to use it.
pensil ini tidak berguna.
This pencil become useless.
Bagaimana
So
agar
how can a
pensil ini
pencil
bisa berguna?
be useful?
Maka dia harus
It has to be
dia
sharpened.
harus
It
ditajamkan.
must be made pointy.
Dan agar dia berguna,
And for it to stay useful,
penajaman ulang
resharpening must happen again
lagi dan
and again,
dari
from time
waktu ke
to
waktu
time,
sampai
until
masanya
it
habis.
runs out.
Seandainya pensil ini bisa merasakan,
If this pencil could feel,
kita bisa membayangkan
we can imagine
betapa menyakitkannya
how painful
proses
it must be, the process it has to go through to get sharpened so it can be useful.
Kalau seandainya pensil ini dengan proses penajamannya itu kita analogikan,
If we compare the pencil sharpening process to our life,
maka hal yang sama pun
the same thing would happen
ada di
to us.
Untuk
To
membuat
make
diri kita
ourselves useful,
maka
we have to go
harus
through
melalui
a process of sharpening.
ulang. Mau
Like it or not,
suka,
willing or not.
proses
The sharpening process
yang akan kita lalui bisa jadi merupakan hal yang sangat
might be very boring.
bisa jadi merupakan hal yang sangat melelahkan,
It might be very tiring,
jadi sangat menyakitkan.
and it might even be very painful.
Apa saja Ibu
So, what are the things within us that need to be sharpened?
penajaman? Ada 4.
There are 4 things. First, your physical body. Second, your brain. Third, your soul. Fourth, your mentality.
Fisikmu
Your body must be kept healthy.
tolong
Please pay attention to what kind of food and drink goes
yang masuk ke dalam.
into your body.
Jangan asal jajan.
Don't just eat anything.
Boleh sekali-kali
It's okay to buy snacks once in a while,
yang sehat,
but healthy ones outside. But make sure not to do it too often.
kalau kalian
If you keep putting food and drinks into your body that actually
yang justru akan merusak
damage
kondisi
your
kesehatan
health,
kalian,
that means you're being cruel. Because a body that gets sick easily,
tubuh
a
yang
body
kondisinya tidak
whose
terjaga
health isn't maintained, will obviously become useless.
guna.
It might even become harmful.
Merugikan.
So many tasks will be left undone because we delay
Tunda
them
dengan alasan sakit.
to do due to sickness. Make sure your body is useful.
Berguna. Ya.
Then,
Kemudian
your brain. Your brain
otak kita itu
has
harus
to be improved in quality through
melalui
a
proses
sharpening
penajaman apa?
process.
Belajar dengan sungguh-sungguh.
Study seriously. We mentioned it earlier in the student page. Study seriously. Don't just do it half-heartedly. Don't let it be that
Jurusan kalian
you don't even
sendiri
understand
tidak paham
your own major.
ketika
When people
ditanya
ask, what skills does
kompetensi yang bisa
a student
dilakukan
have?
di sana?
What
Apa
can a
kompetensi yang
TKJ
bisa
student do?
dilakukan oleh anak TKJ?
What can an
Apa
automotive
kompetensi yang
student
bisa
do?
dilakukan oleh anak teknik otomotif?
What skills
kompetensi yang bisa
does
dilakukan oleh anak
a
ternak
poultry
unggas?
farming student have?
Tidak bisa
And you
kalian
can't
terangkan.
explain it?
Kenapa? Karena kalian
Why?
tidak
Because
mau
you don't want
belajar.
to study.
Otaknya tidak
Your brain
dilatih.
isn't being trained. Study
Belajar
seriously,
sungguh-sungguh,
practice,
berlatih, dan
and read.
aplikasi.
Don't let
Jangan
simple
sampai
things
hal yang sederhana
that
saja,
you
yang
could
sebetulnya
actually do
kalian
on
bisa
your own
lakukan sendiri,
become
karena
a
tidak mau
burden to
membaca,
others
akhirnya
just
menjadi
because you don't want to read.
orang lain. Bahkan otak yang
Even the brain you have will become useless
guna
if you don't improve
tidak ditingkatkan
its quality.
kualitasnya melalui
Improve it by
belajar,
studying, by practicing, and by
dan
reading.
inspirasi.
With a brain
Kehadiran otak
that
yang
keeps
selalu
getting improved,
ditingkatkan kualitasnya,
it will be
kita akan mudah
easier for
tidak
us
mengalami
when facing
kesulitan
life's problem.
saat kalian menghadapi permasalahan hidup. Akan lebih mudah
It will be much easier
menemukan
to
solusi
find
yang terbaik
the best solution
karena
because your brain has been upgraded. Remember this. A brain that stays in the same condition won't be able to provide solution when new
saat masalah
problems appear. What does that mean?
Artinya otak kita kondisinya harus ditingkatkan kualitasnya bila kita mau mencari atau menemukan solusi yang terbaik. Jangan sama kondisinya. Pada saat masalah itu dibuat atau ada,
If our brain
otak kita dalam keadaan A,
is at level A when the problem rises, we must improve it, raise it
tingkatkan
grade
kualitasnya
to the next
menjadi
level.
level B.
Only then
Barulah kita bisa
can we
menemukan
find solution.
solusi. Itu kegunaan otak. Capek.
Is it tiring?
Lelah,
Yes.
Ibu. Iya saya. Tapi itu harus kita lalui. Kalau kita mau jadi orang.
But we have to go through it if we want to be useful. The third one is your soul.
Jiwa
Our soul
kita perlu
needs
ditingkatkan
to be kept healthy.
melalui
How?
apa?
Improve your vertical relationship with your God. Improve your horizontal relationship with others. Improve your worship to God by always having sincere intention
untuk mencapai
to
ridhonya,
seek Allah pleasure,
karena untuk mendapatkan
to earn
cintanya.
Allah love.
Begitu
And also,
hubungan horizontal. Kita harus menunjukkan
we must show respect,
cinta dan kasih
love, and
kepada
care for fellow humans.
Kalau orang yang sehat
A person with a healthy soul
dia bisa memperlakukan orang
can
dengan
treat others with
rasa
full
hormat,
respect.
menghargai, respect. Tapi kalau orang yang
But a
sakit
person with a
jiwanya,
sick soul,
ciri anak-anakku ya, pasti dia bawaannya pengen
their mouths
mulutnya
tend
jahat,
to be sharp and hurtful.
sikapnya,
Their attitude is harsh.
perilakunya,
Their behavior is unpleasant.
itu ciri
Those are
jiwanya
signs of someone
bisa
whose soul is sick. Can you understand that?
otak
Body, brain, soul.
capek.
It's tiring
Kalau harus
if we have to
kita nahan
be the kind of people
baik sama
who
orang
are mean to us.
jahat sama kita.
Remember,
Ingat, jiwa kita
your soul is healthy.
makanya
That's why you must strengthen it with your connection to Allah.
sebarkan
Spread respect, appreciation, and love to others.
sesama. Itu tanda
That is the sign of a healthy soul.
yang
The last
terakhir
one
adalah
is
mental.
mental. Our mentality must be healthy.
Mental kita
How
harus sehat.
can we
Bagaimana
have a
agar
healthy
mental
mentality?
kita
A healthy
mental yang
mentality
sehat
has a strong
memiliki
character.
karakter yang kuat. Dia akan terus bertumbuh
It will
dengan
keep
baik.
growing well.
Dengan cara apa, Ibu?
How?
Dengan cara
By
tidak pernah
never
menolak,
rejecting anything.
selalu memiliki kesadaran
Always
yang penuh
being fully
bahwa
aware
ketika ada
that
yang
when
menyakiti
someone
kita,
hurt us,
ketika ada yang
when
menghalangi,
someone blocks our way,
kita sadar
we are fully
bahwa
aware
setiap kesulitan
that
itu
every
datang
hardship
bukan untuk
doesn't
menghancurkan diri
come
kita,
to destroy us,
Bahwa kesulitan itu
That hardship
datang untuk
comes
bisa
so
kita melihat
we
bahwa
can
kita
see
memiliki potensi dan
that
kekuatan.
we have potential and strength.
Mental seseorang,
A person's
karakter
mentality,
seseorang
a person's
tidak
character
akan terbentuk
will not
dengan
be built
baik
well
apabila
if they
dia
never
tidak
go
pernah
through
mengalami masa
difficult
sulit.
times.
Mental yang sehat
A healthy
akan
mentality
menjadikan
will
dia
turn
pribadi
a person
yang tidak cengeng.
into someone who doesn't
Baru
whine.
ditegur sebentar sudah
Just being
nangis.
reminded a little,
Baru
already
ditegur
crying.
sebentar
Just
sudah
being reminded a
murni.
little, already
Baru
sulking.
ditegur sebentar
Just being
sudah
reminded a little,
jatuh.
already giving up.
Mental yang
A
sehat
strong
tidak
mentality
cengeng,
will not be weedy,
tidak akan
will not
mengeluh,
complain easily,
tidak akan gampang
will not
menyerah.
give up easily.
Tidak ada orang
No
yang
great
hebat
person was
dihasilkan
ever created from life
dari sesuatu
that
yang sifatnya
was
hanya
always
aman-aman
safe
saja.
and
Tidak
easy.
ada, sayang.
There's no
Orang-orang
such
hebat
a
yang
thing.
dihasilkan,
Great
yang
people,
ada masih hidup sekarang di dunia ini, termasuk yang sudah tidak ada,
those
kalian bisa
still
baca
alive in this world, even
biografinya.
those who have
Mereka
passed,
dihasilkan
you can
dari
read their
ombak yang
biographies.
begitu luar
They were
biasa.
shaped by
Ombak
extraordinary
ombak
waves,
kehidupan.
the waves of life.
Tanamkan, sayang ya, dalam diri kalian.
Plant this deep inside
Kalau ada yang
yourselves.
menyakiti
If someone
kalian, ada
hurts
yang
you,
membuli kalian,
if someone
baik
bullies you,
secara lisan
whether by
maupun
words
secara
or
sikap,
action,
abaikan.
ignore it.
Itulah mental
That is the mentality of champion.
Jangan buang
Don't waste your energy
kalian untuk
thinking about
memikirkan orang-orang yang memang
people whose
jiwanya
souls
sakit.
are already sick.
Ingat,
Remember,
banyak
there are
urusan yang harus kita
many
tangani.
matters in life we need to deal with.
Bisa dipahami saya,
Can you understand that?
ya? Jadi yang
So,
perlu
what needs to
ditajamkan
be
dari
sharpened
diri kita
within
adalah
ourselves?
satu,
There are four.
fisik.
First, the body.
Dua,
Second,
otak.
the brain.
Tiga,
Third, the
jiwa.
soul.
Empat,
Fourth, the mentality.
kalian
Sharpen
asah itu walaupun
those things.
membosankan, walaupun
Even if
melelahkan,
it's
walaupun
boring, even if it's exhausting, even if it's painful,
rasanya diomongin orang,
it hurts
sakit
being
ibu,
talked,
rasanya dicuekin,
it hurts being ignored.
pelan sayang,
But slowly,
itu yang akan bisa
that's what will build your character stronger and more resilient.
tangguh. Ingat,
Remember,
jangan pernah
never let
membiarkan orang
the people with sick souls smile
melihat kita
when they see you down,
melihat kita
when they see you
jatuh.
fall.
Itu saja yang bisa saya sampaikan untuk amanah hati.
That's all I can say for today's message. Hopefully it's useful.
Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.